the truth behind CPMs, what Meta don't want to tell you. That's what we're going to see on today's video. I'm Moose from Unlimited Scaling. We're sharing in this YouTube channel a lot of tips to help you scale in your eCom business. We helped already more than thousands of eCom owners. And today I will be sharing you valuable tips for your CPMs. So maybe you notice this situation when, I don't know, maybe you're selling in Europe and your CPMs going from $10 to $35 within few days, and that's not normal. I mean, it can happen very exceptionally few days, like if there is like some government things going on or there is a change of the algorithm, but most of the time this doesn't happen. So if that happens to you, of course there's something we should look on, otherwise we'll not be able to get the best out of your CPM. So the common cause is usually your backend reputation, and also Meta auto adjust pricing on how much they trust your brand. So the more they trust your brand, they will give you like higher scores and the better CPM you will get. So what are those elements that you can look to? Sometimes it can be directly like your domain name that might be flagged. Sometimes it can be an issue on your page. Maybe it can be, for example, having low internal scores. So all those elements are something to consider. I have multiple videos listing all the issues you might have on your page. You might want to look them because there is a lot of issues that can happen on your page. But of course, it's very important to stay realistic about your case and making sure that you're creating enough quality creatives, that you're changing the hooks, the angles, and making sure that your machine of creatives is well settled so it can get you the best performance on your business. Okay, because if you're just looking to fix the CPMs but actually you don't have a creative machine, or you're not able to create a lot of ads, or you don't have enough experience, then those solutions will not be working for you. So we saw a lot of changes once we apply CPM fix to your business. So what is CPM fix and how this can be relatable to your business? So sometimes you might have a flag under your account and you don't even know it, and that flag will impact your results drastically. So whatever you do for the next 1 month, 2 months, the time for that flag to be cleared without doing any actions, if you just use your account, you will see that those months will be terrible and you will get very bad results for that period of time. So that's something that you want to look on and make sure that it stays on the radar. So to fix this, it's important to know what are your internal scores. Do you have flags all going on your account? What's the thing, the algorithm, when you advertise, what's the information they're adding about you on their back end? And once you have a clear knowledge about that, then you will be able to scale, and you might see your CPM dropping by 30, 50 or 100%. So that's what lately happened for one of a German store that we helped, and he had crazy CPMs when he was scaling. And then we noticed that he had like multiple rejected ads on a specific batch, like a batch that he did maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. And then from that batch, Facebook dropped down internal score, and then his performance was. So once you got that sorted, you get very good results, because after that he was able to actually scale. So I would love to analyze further with you what's your situation with your CPM, what happened in your business. So your CPM might have increased, or what changes you made lately that made that happen, so we can see if there is a solution to actually get it sorted and help you get better results so you can enjoy better your business. And yeah, so that's what we're all about. So guys, if it's your case, DM me in WhatsApp and let's discuss about it. And I'm excited to have you in the other side. So until then, subscribe to this YouTube video and you can have a look to our other eCom solutions. And yeah, that's it for today.